We made it to South Australia.
Our journey down was pretty epic. You're definitely not going to want to miss it. We've been doing something a little bit different with that footage though, and we can't wait to show you.
We decided to enter the Film Invitational Wildcard competition.
We're going to show you guys a little trailer to get you keen for the film, but before we do that, we just want to give you a quick insight of what we've been up to.
Come, sit, stay, okay, free. So the day before we left for our trip to South Australia, we were asked to submit a film for the Film Invitational, and we weren't really sure whether we wanted to do it or not because we were obviously just about to leave for our trip and we had so much on our plate. Zara, come. And it was just a hectic time. So we didn't know if we wanted to add more, but we also didn't want to miss this amazing opportunity. Free. So we thought, why not? Let's give it a crack, give it all we got. It was a bit of a last minute thing, but I feel like we both really enjoy the finished product. This one means a lot to us. We put a lot of effort into it and we poured our hearts into this one, to be honest. There was a few stressful days, few tears, but I think it's a good film. I really do. Last night it was really cool. We got to cook up a seafood basket over the fire. We had some prawns, squid and tusky fish that Josh caught back in Moreton Bay. So yeah, that was pretty delicious and pretty cool to be able to cook that up here in South Australia with our kids.
Promotion. I just said I need a couple more.
So I harvested all this seafood in Moreton Bay, and it's pretty crazy to think that just over a week later, down here in South Australia, cooking it up over the fire. Well, I could have added chips and salad, but with that much delicious seafood, would have been a waste. After those hectic few weeks getting down here and completing that film, we have just spent the last week taking it pretty easy. Haven't travelled too far. We've just been seeing a few sites, going on a few cool little adventures, a few really nice beach days too. Yeah, just really taking in the coastline down here because it's just so rugged and so beautiful. Well, I hope you're hanging out to see this trailer, and I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer, so here it is. We almost didn't do this. Yeah, we don't want those regrets. I mean, fuck that.
We really want to show our children that it's okay to choose the road less certain.
What are we going to see next, Mommy?
Well, we really hope you enjoyed that little trailer and got you keen to watch our film. It's been a pretty cool experience for us. We've definitely learnt a lot and grown a lot along the way.
But we need your help. If you want to watch our film, it goes live tomorrow, Monday the 9th of March. Jump on the Film Invitational website, and if our story resonates with you, then vote for us. We'll leave the link in our description once the film goes live. It costs $4.99 for the subscription, and you can cancel for free at any time. Your support means everything to us, so go
Please
vote for us.
Vote for us.